Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing. In the step-by-step mail merge wizard, you saw the mail merge recipients window appear after you had selected a data source for your merge publication. This lesson will focus on using that dialog box to select the records to use in your mail merge. You can open up this dialog box by clicking the Edit Recipient List button in the Start Button group on the Mailings tab within the ribbon. Of course, you must already have selected a data source for the publication before you can use this button. If you need to select a data source, you can click the Select Recipients button in the Start Button group and then choose one of the commands available to either create a new list or select an existing list. In the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box, you will see the records from your selected list displayed at the top of the window. You can check or uncheck the check boxes in the second column to manually select or deselect the records that you want to use for the mail merge. If you need to perform advanced filtering or the sorting of the data, you will find additional hyperlinks at the bottom of this dialog box that you can use to manage your list data. To apply an advanced sort to your data, you can click the Sort hyperlink. Here you can use the Sort By drop-down to select the primary field by which you wish to sort for the data. Then choose the sorting method to apply from the option buttons at the end of the field. You can select either ascending or a descending order. You can then perform the same actions for the two additional Then By fields to apply a secondary and third sort order if needed. To apply the sorting order when you are finished, just click the OK button. If you want to apply an advanced filter to the list, then you can click the Filter hyperlink at the bottom of this dialog box. This will reopen the Filter and Sort dialog box, but will display the Filter Records tab this time. On this tab, use the first drop-down under the Field column to choose the field name by which you want to filter the data. Then use the Comparison drop-down to set a comparison operator. Then type the value against which you want to compare the field's value directly in the Compare To field. If you need to apply more filtering criteria, then choose either the AND or choice from the first drop-down in the second row. Then repeat the same process again. Note that you can set multiple filtering criteria on this tab. Once you have set your filtering criteria, you can click the OK button to apply them to your list. Once you have applied either a sort order or a filter to the records in the list, you can clear either setting to display all of the records again. To do this, either click Sort or Filter, depending upon which aspect you want to remove, and this will again open up the Filter and Sort dialog box. If you want to clear the sorting that has been applied, then click the Sort Records tab, and then click the Clear All button. If you want to remove a filter that has been applied, then click the Filter Records tab, and then click the Clear All button. Once you have finished clearing any sorting or filtering criteria on each tab, click the OK button to apply the changes and return to your list. If you want to search for possible duplicate records in your list, then you can click the Find Duplicates button, and this will open up the Find Duplicates dialog box. Here you will see any possible duplicate records that could exist in your list. You can uncheck any records shown in this window to prevent duplicate records from being used in the same mail merge. Once you have finished, you can click the OK button to return to the Mail Merge Recipients dialog box. You can click the Find Recipient hyperlink to open up the Find Entry dialog box. You can use this to locate a record in your list by a field's value. Once you are finished using the box, you can click the Cancel button to return to the list. In the Data Sources section, you can view the name of the data source. You can click on the name of the data source shown in this list, and then click the Edit button to open up the Edit Data Source dialog box. Publisher will prompt you to save your changes and update the list in a separate message box once you are finished. Click Yes to accept the changes and return to the Mail Merge Recipients window. Once you have finished selecting the records to use for your mail merge using this dialog box, simply click the OK button. Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.